Continuing our tour of the new Alpha 5 documentation viewer, and we're demonstrating how you can open up the help in a modeless window, which is ideal for a 2-monitor computer. But since the video would not allow us to record 2 separate monitors, what I've done here to simulate that environment is make the main Alpha 5 window very narrow and then opened up the help next to it. So you can see now that as I move through Alpha 5, switching from one window to another window, the help is always visible here on my simulated second monitor. But one of the great things now about having the help open up in the separate monitor is, as you recall, in the previous video we turned on this synchronize help on current function option over here. So now let's go in Alpha 5 to the interactive window and start we'll go to a new script, and now we'll go here and we'll say UI underbar message box, and as soon as I type the open paren, watch what happens in this window over here. So I type the open paren and you can see that we immediately synchronized on message box. So let's go here now and now type in, say, trim, the trim function, and you can see we've synchronized on the trim function. Now let's go and do something a little bit more sophisticated. So dim cn as SQL : connection, and now cn dot open, and again Alpha 5 has synchronized on the SQL : connection open. So what Alpha 5 knew was that this variable cn was derived from the SQL : connection class. So the ability to synchronize as you're typing, so as soon as you type a new function in the script editor, and this would be the script editor and also in, say, for example, the component builders in the XBasic, when you're defining XBasic event handlers in the component helpers, etc., you can immediately synchronize help on the function that you're currently editing. So that's a great new feature to make writing scripts just a little bit easier. So now let's bring this back, the help back into the full screen here. And previously we mentioned that that there's a browser-like experience in that you have back buttons and next buttons. So as you're going through the help, you can navigate through previously viewed topics. You can also press the down arrow to just simply scroll through the topics in the order in that they appear in the list over there. So it's a very fluid way of going through the documentation. And for any topic that you're reviewing, if you want to actually see the topic in its original form in the wiki, every topic has this hyperlink at the bottom where you can view the topic in the where you can open the topic in the wiki. Now any topic that you're currently viewing, you can go ahead and print. So let's go ahead now and print this topic over here. So I'll say just print the current topic, and Alpha 5 will create a PDF with the current topic in it. But you can also print multiple topics. So right now I have quite a few different topics open in different tabs. So now I'm going to go now and say print, and this time I'll say print selected topics, and these are all the topics that are currently open. The one that I'm currently viewing is highlighted over here, but let's just go there and say select all and then click the OK button, and Alpha 5 will go ahead and print a PDF document for me. And this time, because I chose more than one PDF document, you'll see that we've automatically added a table of contents to the PDF over there, so we can quickly go to any document in our list. And we've also added a bookmarks viewer on the left here, so we can see all of the we can quickly get to any individual topic. So being able to print the topics into PDF form is also great for reviewing the documentation at your leisure. So let's pause now and pick it up in the next video.